here, my name is Ashton Torbert, lifestyle, beauty, and perfume content. For the return visit, hey girl, what's it? And this is, y'all can tell girl, we are doing an easy lip combo video, girl. Busy lip combos are so cute and so simple, girl. A lot of folks make them so like complicated, girl. So easy, girl. And I heard, girl, that you need one, girl. And of course, I got you besties, so let's get into bestie. With any lip combo, girl, you need any cheap lip gloss, girl. This is the beauty supply store Broadway shea butter lip gloss, girl. Like lip gloss, girl. I like beauty supply store, like $2, y'all. I like it because it works amazing. Cause like it works amazing, girl. As y'all can see, I mean, like I got like half a thing left, girl. So yeah. And then combo is gonna be a very pretty color. So now with lip combos, now you need a color like a very darkish color or a lip pencil. I don't use lip pencils no more with my lip pencils because you don't need one. Now, if you want one, girl, you can, but you don't need one, girl. So here, the first one, we have the e.l.f. Cosmetics Curl Lip Gloss, girl. We got the NYX Fat Oil in the shade Miss Call, y'all. I love this a lot, girl. Love this a lot, girl. It's so good, girl. This came from Ulta for like $4, girl. It's so good, girl. And then the next one is the Lee Mercy, y'all. It doesn't say what color this is, y'all, but y'all know I love this. Y'all stay updated on my TikTok, which go for follow. Y'all know I love this lip gloss, y'all. And one of my new pickles is the Bath and Body Works Emily in Paris Bonjour Blossom. This as well, girl. And then we also got the NYX Duck Plum in the shade Bubblegum Bay. Y'all, I love this down, y'all, because y'all can see, girl, it's very pigment, girl. And then the two other ones that I have, y'all, is the e.l.f. lip stain, y'all. So basically, you can use the lip stain in your side of your lip. Some girl, we're gonna do this one last because it does stains a lot, girl. So yeah. And then the last one, which I just tried this out for TikTok, it is the Beauty Intuition glitter lip gloss, girl. It's so cute. And then in my lip combos, girl, I like a little shine. So we got the e.l.f. lip lacquer bubbles lip gloss, y'all. I love this now because it's very glittery and shiny, girl. So let's get into it now. So basically, I'm gonna show y'all how I do my. So basically, there is nothing on my lips. So basically, there is nothing on my lips right now, girl. And if you see me looking here, girl, my like vanity mirror is right here, girl. There, girl. Now, NYX Duck Plum. So basically, what you gonna do first, basically, or how I do my, you're going to take your glitter gloss first, girl, and you're gonna put it all around your lips, all around your lips. Now, this came from Target for $3. That you don't need some expensive glitter gloss to have a cute lip. Come on, and if you're new here, I love like sparkle, shimmer, glitter down, girl. So shiny, girl. Like, I love this down, girl. And for $3, girl, you can't beat it, y'all. So now, time for the code. Now, if you, how I do mine, girl, you are color on your bottle. Now, it depends how pigment. Now, this is very pigment, girl. So I'm gonna just show y'all like 2 dots. So like 1, 2 is very pigment, as y'all can see, girl. What you're gonna do is you're gonna take your cheap beauty supply store lip gloss, and then, now I like mine very glossy, girl, so I did use a lot, girl, but you do not have to, girl. Now you're gonna put it on your bottom. Look, now you use your finger to blend in, girl. Like the finished product, girl, is very easy, girl. All you did is 3 ingredients, girl. You did for your glitter front. Now, this is optional. If you don't like glitter, girl, it's just 2 things. So we did the e.l.f. lip lacquer in the bubbles, like shiny one, girl, first. And then you did your color set. Now, basically, y'all saw I did 2 dabs, y'all, and it's still like very like pigment, girl. Man, if I took like the full color, girl, like it's so pigment, girl, it's so cute, girl. I love it. And then you take your cheap lip color. So basically, total, girl. Now, this was $16, girl. Now, this one was $16, girl. It's kind of pricey, but extreme sensation. Now, if you don't like, now, if you can't take a burning feeling, girl, I'm gonna show y'all like another like lip combo, girl, that doesn't use this, girl. And then this was $2, y'all, so as well, girl. Very easy, girl. Comment down, be like, low, girl, y'all favorite lip combo, girl, out of like all of these, girl. Like, now on to the next lip combo, girl. Now it's time for like my girl that's just like a good little clear glitter one. Now basically, now Kylie Jenner High Gloss in the shade High Gloss. It come on, y'all say how it's like cute, girl. Everybody do not want to pay you like $16 for like a clear like lip gloss, girl. And that's okay. So look, I got you a cheap one. Now this is the e.l.f. one, y'all. It's $3 at Dark. So take this just like last time. and put it all over your lips, girl. That's how it looks, y'all. Load this down, y'all. And for $3, girl, you can't beat. Now it's time for our main show, y'all. On the lip gloss, girl. Gonna take now. If you like it glossy like me, girl, you gonna use a lot. If you don't like it this glossy, girl, don't use as much, girl. So I got a lot on it, girl. See, this lip combo, girl, is so cute and so shiny, girl. I love this lip combo down, y'all. So that's how it looks. I lie and say, girl, that is not cute, girls. No, bestie. Time for, but this is a very plain and simple lip combo, girl. A total $2, girl. $5, y'all. Like very like this is like very easy and it's so cute, girl. Like it's so cute and shiny, girl. You don't need a lot of products, just 2 products. It's time for like lip combo number 3. It's gonna do a pink glittery lip combo and then a pink nut one, girl. So this is the Beauty Intuition like a gloss, girl. I love this down because it has like glitter in it, girl. We are gonna use this, girl. So y'all know the drill. It looks, girl. It's not like too shiny, but it's still like shiny. Now for the pink, girl, we are going to use my Dollar Tree Lee Mercy Clutch, y'all. I love this down, y'all. It's so good, girl. For $1.25, girl, you cannot beat that, girl. So pretty pinkish color, y'all. I love this down. Now I would wear this out plain, girl. Like it's so cute. And I keep for like getting how good this is, girl. Gloss, girl. Besties, y'all know the drill. We're gonna put the gloss on our top of our lips and blend out hand/mouth. And this is how it looks, y'all. It's like a pinkish, pretty glitter coming in a sparkle, girl. So yeah. On to the next lip combo, girl. Like now it's time for just a pinkish lip combo. So let's get into it. So it's Emily in Paris. Buzzer. Now, basically, if you go to Bath & Body Works right now, y'all, because there's semi-sale still like going on, y'all, $2, girl, and it's so good. So basically, now, this is very pigment, girl, but I might do a lot. But basically, if you don't want a lot, girl, don't do a lot, girl. A little glitter, girl. Now, if you don't want glitter, girl, don't do glitter, girl. But I'm gonna do glitter on mine, because y'all know I love glitter, but also, girl, it's not like that much. Like, this is how it looks, y'all. It's so cute. It's so pinkish, girl. Now, basically, I actually forget like how pigment this is, girl. So we gonna do a part 2 with like less pigment, girl. Now, time for the part 2. So basically, we is gonna use like this like glitter one, like glitter girl that a girl love, girl. So this so much, girl. Like, look at that. How it looks so cute. It's so pretty. Like this is very pigment. Like just like one flip. That's all. And like a little bit more, but that's all. Now, time for the start of the show. Our cheap beauty supply store lip gloss. This is how it like looks, girl, y'all. I did a little less color, girl, and look, it's so cute. Shiny, y'all, girl. This look a little bit more better, y'all. Like it. It's a good thing, like this, like very pigment, girl. Like on to the next. So basically, use the Kylie Jenner cheek and glow balm, girl. So let's get into it. So basically, I got this for like Christmas, girl, but this is the Kylie Jenner lip and cheek glow balm in the shade Pink Me Up, girl. This was like, I want to say maybe $22, girl, I think, but it's so cute, girl. I love the packaging, girl. It's so cute. Now let's get to the bestie. This goes a long way as well, so we're going to just do 2 little taps, girl. See how it, see? Like glitter, girl, but yeah. It's like, girl, like this lip combo, girl, came out so good, girl. And basically, this gonna last me a long time, y'all, cause like it's a lip and a cheek balm, girl. But like y'all know, like I don't do like makeup, girl. So and all I did was 2 dashes, y'all, and look how it looks on my lips, girl. It's so cute, girl. So basically, now we have 2 more lip combos to do, girl. So let's get into it. Time for the NYX Duck Plump Fat Oil in the shade Big Call, girl. So oh, y'all, I like this, girl. It's kind of like a lip stain if you kind of like think about it now. Like that like red color is so cute, girl. I need to like wear this more. Now time for the light gloss, girl. I love that NYX Duck Plum like the most because like it leaves a little color, girls. The finished product, girl. It's so cute, girl. I love this lip combo. It's like a little tint, girl. Just like a tad bit, girl. I love this lip combo down, girl. Last lip combo, girl, which is the lip stain, y'all. I did this off home for like a TikTok, girl, and I like it, girl, but it stains a lot, girl. So let's get into it. Let's wear, cause I got like 4 more TikToks to do, girl. And since this thing, girl, is gonna last on there a long time, girl, so we're gonna do some glitter on this, y'all. Now, besties, you do not have to do like glitter on this, girl. I'm doing this, y'all, because I know I love some like glitter, girl. And the e.l.f. lip oil stain, I bought that from Ulta for like $6 or so, girl. So yeah, for the lip stain, y'all, this stains a lot, y'all, and y'all is gonna see. So that's how it looks, girl. That's how it like looks, girl. So yeah, let's show our cheek gloss, y'all. This product, y'all, this might be my favorite lip. Come on, girl. Like, it has a little red tint. It's shiny. It's glitter, y'all. I'm wearing this out, y'all. The next time, the next time a girl like goes out, y'all, I'm wearing this, y'all. I don't know what I'm wearing Friday, girl, because I'm going out Friday, y'all. And like, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna wear a pink shirt, y'all, because you know I love pink down. So I'm gonna wear this with like the pink, so it just pop more, girl. Because this is so cute, girl. Yeah, we're wearing this lip combo Friday, girl. Like, this is like my favorite, girl. And I think for like some extra gloss, girl, I'm gonna do my Kylie Jenner like high gloss, girl, because this get very glossy, y'all. I use this for my birthday lip combo, girl. This lip combo is so cute, girl. I like it. It's cute, it's glossy, y'all, and it's so amazing, girl. This lip combo, girl, is my favorite. It's glossy, it's red, it's just that, girl, and it has like glitter in it too, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, girl. If you did, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell, hun, so you'll be notified every time your girlie posts a new video and your favorite lip combo, girl. Just like video, girl. And until next time, bestie. Bye, bestie.